Hi friends, good morning. We have started coordination compound chapter and today is the last lecture of the chapter. Then after we will start JEE NEET of all chapters which we have completed. So what is the today's topic? Bonding in metal carbonyl. Myself AG sir, I welcome all of you from Samved School. Bonding in metal carbonyl is what? So today's topic is bonding in metal carbonyl. Homoleptic bond is formed with metal by carbonyl ligand. Carbonyl only ligand, only one type of ligand, that is carbonyl, which form covalent bond or coordinate covalent bond with metal. The complex compound are known as homoleptic complex compound. There are 4 to 5 examples of homoleptic complex compound. Different type of structure of complex compound is obtained by the number of different ligand of carbonyl with metal. Suppose we are having metal nickel, for carbonyl tetra carbonyl nickel, oxidation state of nickel is 0. The structure of tetracarbonyl nickel is tetrahedral. Second one, FeCO5, pentacarbonyl ion 0 having trigonal bipyramidal. Third one, hexacarbonyl chromium, hexacarbonyl chromium having octahedral structure. Fourth one, tetracarbonyl dimanganese, Mn2CO10, that is tetracarbonyl dimanganese having square bipyramidal or square pyramidal and fifth one, octacarbonyl dicobalt having bridge structure. So carbonyl only one ligand forming the complex compound with different metal give different structure. Only one type of ligand is used to form complex compound That complex compound is known as homoleptic complex compound. Now we are drawing the structure. First structure that is related to tetracarbonyl nickel. This is the tetracarbonyl nickel. This structure is known as tetrahedral. This is the tetracarbonyl nickel. This type of structure is obtained for tetracarbonyl nickel. If you are not seeing clearly here, then I am deleted that, drawing over here tetracarbonyl nickel. This is the tetrahedral shape. Pentacarbonyl ion. The structure of pentacarbonyl ion is Fe5CO. This is pentacarbonyl ion. The structure of pentacarbonyl ion. Pentacarbonyl ion 0. Tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Now we are having hexacarbonyl chromium 0. This is the structure of hexacarbonyl chromium 0. Chromium CO, 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 CO. Total 6 ligands are used to form hexacarbonyl chromium 0. Hexacarbonyl chromium 0. Now we are having decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. This is the decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. Mn, CO, 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 CO. These are the 6, and 2 carbonyl is attached here. CO, CO, CO. This is di-square pyramidal shape. This is the one square, this is the another square, and this is the pyramidal. Di-square pyramidal. This is the decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. And last one is octacarbonyl dicobalt 0. This is the decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. And last one is octacarbonyl dicobalt 0. So this is the octacarbonyl dicobalt, CO, CO, dicobalt. These are the capital CO. These are the 6 CO, and 2 CO are in bridge form. This is the octacarbonyl dicobalt. So different type of structure is obtained while homoleptic ligand like carbonyl form complex compound with different metal.